Question number 23rd. The rate of reaction becomes 4 times when the temperature changes from 293 K to 313 K. Calculate the energy of activation EA of the reaction, assuming that it does not change with temperature. Given are the R and the value of log 4. Solution. Log K2 upon K1 is equal to energy of activation upon 2.303 R into 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Then log 4 is equal to EA upon 2.303 into 8.314, and putting the values of T1 and T2, we get 1 upon 293 minus 1 upon 313. Now putting the value of log 4, 0.6021 is equal to EA upon 2.303 into 8.314 into 313 minus 293 upon 293 into 313. Now solving the equation further, we'll get the value of EA as 52.863 kJ.